Hi yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we're practicing building confidence and we're connecting with our personal power. As you remember, confidence isn't loud, it's steady, it's grounded, and it's actually always within you. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply activate and work very powerfully with our solar plexus here. So this Kriya is short, but it's powerful. First, we're gonna tune in with our mantras. Hands to prayer mudra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Chugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And breathe out. Hands on your knees, down to Jyan Mudra. Very good. Now, to start our Kriya, we're going to put hands in the fists and we're going to start with a very good, powerful breath. And our hands are working upwards one by one. And when the hand goes up, we breathe in. And when the hand comes in, we breathe out. And this is a fast movement, so go as fast as you can and powerful breath here through the nose. We're creating this heat and this prana for our body, and this is really awakening our cells, our chakra system, and we're sending our body a message that we're ready to move energy. And you can imagine that you're just grabbing that beautiful life force energy from the cosmos. So just give it your best efforts and grab that, pull that life force energy into your body here. Breathe in, squeeze your mubang, and breathe out, hands down to Jyan Mudra. Good, now we're gonna move on. We're gonna go into a bow pose here. And this is the most effective asana for our solar plexus chakra here. So, but we're not just gonna only stay here. We're gonna breathe in, we come up, and breathe out, we're coming down. So just right again, find the rhythm that is good for you. And we're breathing through the nose only. Very good. Now we're gonna straight move forward with this one. We're gonna go and lie down to the ground and we're lifting our legs one by one. We're working with both sides of the brain hemispheres and we're balancing and making our body more stable here. And breath again. When the leg comes up, we breathe in, and when the leg goes down, we breathe out. So this is again powerful movement. And really working with the core on the physical level, it really activates the Manipura, the navel chakra here as well. Very good. Now moving forward, now we're raising our hips and we're holding that posture here. Squeeze your core. And now we're gonna start to rotate the legs one at a time. And again, breathing. When the leg comes up, we breathe in. When the leg goes down, we breathe out. Very good. And now rest both legs to the ground. And just feel this beautiful energy you have accumulated now. Now we're moving on. We're going to sit in the easy pose once more. And we're placing the hands on top of the crown, on top of the head here. And we're starting to shake the body to the left and right, and we're moving with our torso towards the ground here. And again, we're breathing through the nose. And we're allowing all that energy, that prana that we have accumulated right now to the body. We're allowing with this movement the energy to move to our higher chakras here, or Manipura, to Anahata, to Vishuddha, to Ajna, and the crown chakra. Breathe in. And out, hands down to Jyan Mudra. Very good. And now if you want, you can lie down for Shavasana, or you can stay in that easy pose here. I am a peaceful being. I am calm and stable always. Everything is always working out for my highest good. With each breath, I relax deeper into the earth. I am safe, I am supported and grounded. I release tension and welcome peace. I am centered, I am calm, and I am at ease. Everything in my life is easy. I trust myself completely. I radiate self-assurance and inner power. I am worthy of success and respect. I speak and act with certainty. My confidence grows with every breath I take. I trust the wisdom within me. I am enough exactly as I am. My life force energy moves freely in my body. All is well with me. Thank you so much. And now make yourself way back up to easy pose, and we're gonna tune out Sat Nam, truth is my name. Sat Nam. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful Kriya. Lots of love and have a beautiful day. Bye.